Welcome to our roundup of the top 8 foods that can boost brain health and help prevent Alzheimer's disease. In a world where diet plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, certain foods stand out for their remarkable benefits to cognitive function. Whether you're looking to sharpen your memory, protect against neurodegenerative diseases, or simply enhance your mental clarity, these brain-boosting foods offer a delicious way to support your cognitive health. Join us as we explore these powerhouse ingredients and uncover the science behind their brain-enhancing properties. Top 8 foods to boost brain health and prevent Alzheimer's. Number 8. Pumpkin seeds. Who knew these little seeds could make such a big impact? Despite their size, pumpkin seeds are nutritional powerhouses. Packed with antioxidants, they help protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. Studies, like one published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease in 2010, suggest that diets high in antioxidants may lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Number 7. Turmeric. Turmeric, the vibrant spice that gives curry its golden hue, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. But its impressive benefits come from curcumin, the compound responsible for its color. Curcumin is a standout in the world of brain health, often celebrated for its potential cognitive benefits. Number 6. Fatty fish. Dive into the world of fatty fish like salmon, trout, and sardines, and you'll find a key to brain health: omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats must be obtained through diet, as the body can't produce them on its own. Omega-3s are crucial for maintaining cognitive function and overall brain health. Number 5. Blueberries. Let's sweeten the deal with blueberries, a fruit that's small but mighty for your brain. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants that help protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. If blueberries had a resume, their impressive antioxidant profile would make them a top candidate for boosting brain health. Number 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is more than just a nutritious vegetable, it's a brain-boosting hero. This cruciferous vegetable is rich in antioxidants and various nutrients that support overall brain health. Its impressive nutrient profile makes it a staple in a brain-healthy diet. Number 3. Oranges. Add some citrus zing with oranges, which are bursting with vitamin C. This essential vitamin is a powerful antioxidant that helps guard the brain against oxidative stress and decline. Including oranges in your diet can provide a tasty boost to your brain health. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs, often dubbed nature's multivitamin, are a fantastic source of nutrients that benefit brain health. They are rich in several essential nutrients, including vitamin B12, which plays a crucial role in maintaining cognitive function. Number 1. Dark chocolate. Indulge in dark chocolate, a treat that's not only delightful but also good for your brain. Rich in various compounds that support cognitive function, dark chocolate can be a guilt-free way to enhance brain health while satisfying your sweet tooth. Incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your diet is a tasty and proactive step toward enhancing your cognitive health and potentially reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. From antioxidant-rich blueberries to the powerful curcumin in turmeric, each of these foods offers unique benefits for your brain. Remember, a well-rounded diet, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can be your best ally in maintaining mental sharpness and overall well-being. So, why not start today? Add these nutritious options to your meals and enjoy the benefits they bring to your brain and beyond. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and click the bell notification to get you notified for more skincare tips. See you next time.